Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you another improvement of my automatic shutdown system. This time still using the infrared proximity sensor, which is here, and an Arduino Nano board which I have placed in this box behind the printer. I will show you what is in the box and how it works. You will have in the description the link to download the Arduino program and also the wiring diagram. This is the content of the box. Here I have a 5-volt relay which allows to activate or deactivate the power of the printer through these two terminals. Here I have an Arduino Nano board which controls the relay, and there I have a 5-volt transformer that converts the 110 volts or 220 volts current that comes from the power supply. This charger converts it to 5 volts to power the Arduino board. There is this red wire which connects the live wire of the arrival of the current to the switch. I have cut it in half, then I have connected it to two wires. This wire goes to the common terminal of the relay, that is the COM, and this wire here comes from the output of the relay, that is the NO terminal, the normally open. It allows to cut or supply the power between these two terminals here. And at the same time, the position allows me to always keep the possibility of using the switch when needed. Here on the arrival of the live wire of the power supply, I have connected also this brown wire which goes to the live wire of the 5 volts converter. In the box here. On the neutral terminal of the incoming power, I have connected another wire that goes to the neutral terminal of the 5 volts converter. These two wires allow me to supply with 110 volts or 220 volts to the converter, which in return will supply the Arduino board with 5 volts. So the transformer inside here supplies the Arduino board with 5 volts. So here we need an Arduino Nano, an infrared proximity sensor, a relay, a 5-volt converter, we also need some shrinking tubes for the wires, and of course some wires to connect the hardware. And here is the diagram, the wiring diagram in French, and here the wiring diagram in English. So let's set to work. Now we will move on to the demonstration. You see the infrared sensor, there is only one light that is on. This means that nothing is detected. Now if I move the axis up a little bit, both lights are on. That means it is detected, and in a few seconds it will turn off. Let's look. It should turn off soon. Usually it takes 20 to 30 seconds to turn off the printer, so we'll wait. There it is off. It is off because the sensor detected the reflector here. We are going to move it down a bit so that it is no longer detected, and it turns on automatically. Now I no longer need to plug the printer into a connected outlet. I can plug it into any outlet, and I will still have my auto power off functionality thanks to the system I have put here at the back. Thank you so much for watching, and do not hesitate to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell. Also, do not hesitate to support the channel to have more information about 3D printers. Thank you and see you soon.